Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Product Retailers for WooCommerce, setting up retailers and configuring plugin settings. In this video, I will show you how to set up retailers and configure settings for the WooCommerce Product Retailers plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Products tab. Here, you can configure the default button text. Go to Product Retailers. Set the product button text. This is the text customers will see on their product page. Next, set the catalog button text. This is the text for the external product button in catalog view. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. Now, go to WooCommerce and click on Retailers. Now, click on the Add New Retailer button. Enter the retailer name, like Amazon, and then add the default URL, such as a product page on your Amazon store. Once the details are added, click on the Publish button. We have successfully added our retailer. You can add more retailers by repeating this process. For example, you can add eBay and Walmart. You can view and manage all your retailers from this list. To edit a retailer, click on its name. You can update details, like the name or URL. This is useful if the retailer's information changes. Once the new information is added, click on the Update button. That's it. You have set up retailers and configured the plugin settings. Now your customers can see retailer options on your product and catalog pages. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.